Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Hope you all are well and safe at your home. I am Jeevan Jyoti. I am your new computer teacher. Today we will start chapter 4, Working with Paints. So, let's start. Here you can see the home page of MS Paint. The MS Paint is a simple graphic program to draw the picture on the screen and paint them with the different color. You can see the different colors and different option for drawing the color. We will learn more about MS Paint in this chapter. First option is our using select tools. How can we use the select tools? I'm telling you. Yes, you can see the pictures using the select tools. The select tool is used to select any part of the picture that we want to change. Here you can select option. Click on the rectangular selection tools. Here you can see. To select the object, place or the mouse pointer just outside the area to be selected. After that, click and hold down the left mouse button and then drag around the outer boundary of the object. After that, you can release the mouse button when it will completely selected. Okay. Next, using freeform selection tool. In this slide, you can see the freeform selection tool. Here is the select and here is the freeform selection tool. It is used to select any irregularly shaped part of the picture. You can even drag the selected option or selected portion and place it the another location. For this, what you can do? First of all, you have to select the freeform selection tools, place the pointer on the drawing area here. Select the object by holding down the left mouse button and moving the pointer around the outer boundary of the object. Release the mouse button after selecting the object. Here you can see we can select the nose of a mouse and after that we can moving here. Drag the nose towards left as shown in the figure. Now click on the undo button. After that you can use this undo button and observe the changes. Next is moving an object. How can we move an object from one place to another place? First of all, we can draw a picture of a car on the new file and save it with the name of a car. Okay. Then now select the drawing or any part of the drawing with the help of the select tools. First of all, you have to draw a car and after that you can select the car with the help of the select tools. A rectangle with dash lines will appear there. A rectangle with dash line will appear around the picture it's shown. Click the cut button here. Click the cut button option in the clipboard group on the home page. Observe that the selected picture will be removed from the screen. After that you can see this picture is removed from the screen. Okay. Next is the using paste option. After selection we can use the using paste option. For this, here you can see, for this click on the paste option. Here you can see the paste option. Now the object that you have cut will reappear on the top left corner of the drawing area. Next, place the mouse pointer on it and drag it to the desired location and release the mouse button. First you have to select the paste button, then after where you want to paste the picture you can drag your mouse there. After that you can show your picture in your desired location. Okay, that's all. Today we will discuss only these points or these options for you. You have to practice all these points using select tools, using freeform selection tools, moving an object, and using paste option. These all 4 points you have to practice in your home. Okay, thank you very much. Now, for the 4th class, we will start chapter 4, a tux paint. What is the tux paint? A tux paint is a wonderful drawing program for children. Unlike other drawing painting program, tux paint has a lot of creative tools, funny animation, and the magical effect which make it one of the best drawing software. Let us look at the unique feature. The Tux Paint is a free software. Tux Paint has a drawing master who helps you to know more about the Tux Paint. A large variety of tools help the children to bring out their best creative design. You can add personalized stamps on our drawing once we finished it. Funny sounds effects. We can load and save image directly and thumbnails, and there is no need to specify a file name. Then first of all, you know how to open the Tux Paint. First of all, you go to the start button, then all program, then Tux Paint, then Tux Paint windows. Here you can see start button. First of all, you can click on the start button, then choose all program. After that you can choose the select Tux Paint, then Tux Paint window. Next the welcome screen of Tux Paint is displayed on your screen. After that you can use the first window of Tux Paint. Here you can see the first window of the Tux Paint. Here you can see the toolbox has a total number of 14 different tools. Here is the color. It is the palettes from where you can choose the different colors. Here you can see the sub toolbox contain more option of a particular tools. Here we have 17 fixed color and 1 choice colors. Next, paint tools. Here with the help of this we can choose the paint tools. Whenever we start Tux Paint, the paint tools is selected by default. It is used to paint and draw anything that you want to like. It is similar to be the brush tool in MS Paint. It is just like the brush tool. We can use it to draw the freehand image or sketches as well as select the various brush shape present in its sub toolbox here. Now let's start drawing a scenery using the paint tools. Okay. First of all, bring a mouse pointer to the drawing area here. The shape of the pointer change from the hand of the paint brush here. Select the brown color from the color. Here you can choose the colors and draw a few mountains. After that you can draw the mountains at the upper part of the drawing canvas. Now choose yellow color to draw a small sun behind the mountain. Here you can choose the yellow color and make a sun. Select the blue color and draw a wavy lines for river as shows. Here you can use a blue color and draw a wavy lines for a river. Now sub toolbox. It is a unique features of TuxPaint. Here we have many option of brushes, shapes, special effect in sub toolbox. We can choose any brush shape from the sub toolbox on the right hand side. First is haze brush shape. It is a unique subtool which has a hazy appearance. We can use it to draw objects that are far away using haze brush. Haze brush is, first of all, you can select the paint tools from there. You can choose the paint tools. Now select the haze brush. Here is the haze brush, light blue color. Draw a few clouds in the sky. Now use the color blue, and after that you can draw the clouds on the sky. Similarly, select the green color. After that you can use the green color and draw the trees. Here you can draw the trees. It is the main work of a haze brush. Okay children, that's all. Now you have to practice how to open the TuxPaint, how can we paint, how can we use the paint tools, what is the sub toolbox, how can we use the haze brush shape, and you have to practice all work which had done in your class. Okay, thank you. Sai Ram.